Onye to vote on Ugwu Hausa. 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 Biafra niile, onye to vote on Ugwu Hausa. Ụmụ Igbo, onye to vote on Ugwu Hausa. There is no political solution to Biafran quest. The only thing we want to hear is Biafran independence through our referendum. So those bringing in political solution are wasting their time. Welcome to M's Special. M Special is a Biafran agitating under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, talking about my own freedom, the freedom of my children, and the freedom of those beautiful faces in Biafra land. Biafra is our country, and in it we have our citizenship. And we are not ready to give it up for anything. This very video, I want to talk to the honest Biafran media warriors. But before I continue, I say welcome, and I said if you have not subscribed to M Special, we do talk about Biafra, the zoo called Nigeria, Africa in general. But recently, since the extradition of our wonderful, formidable leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have focused on Biafra. Because you have to be alive before you can save others. My freedom is at stake. We are not breathing, and I want to breathe. We are suffocating, but we refuse to be suffocated. So, do subscribe to M Special. Do bring in your comments after our deliberation. We deliberate on news. We talk about the news that everybody hears and watches. And you, the viewers, will have the final say. We do upload videos twice a week, at times daily, according to the news and according to our time. Do support this video. Do support this channel. If you are among the 75% watching our videos without subscribing, please do subscribe so that we can be monetized. Together, we will liberate ourselves. Your freedom is in your hands. My freedom is in my hands. And when we come together, we move mountains, and it will make it more easier. Because every voice matters when it comes to freedom and when it comes to honesty. So, this very video, I want to talk to fellow Biafrans that are on the media, those that like the truth, not those that will talk in 5 minutes, they will change, and they will come with Bible versions. Look, let me tell you, we have been deceived enough with the Bible. I am a believer, a strong one indeed. I take my pride in the God I serve, because people say there is no God. I tell you, there is God, and He answers all prayers, all. So I know who God is. But do not think that you will use the Holy Book and deceive people. Because this Bible can be used on any way, according to the user. And that is what people has failed to understand. Somebody can use the Bible to confuse you, just as the Christians, the so-called Christians in Nigeria, have been confused with this very Bible. Yes, it is the truth, and the truth shall set us free. So, do not be a media warrior that in every 5 minutes you are dancing to every side. Let us know where you stand. And take away when you want to speak about the Biafran cause, especially when you want to back up the evil in our houses, the evil, the enemy in the houses, in the house of Biafrans, in IPOB, you will come to bring the word of God to use it to confuse yourself. Yes, I am very angry, very, very. and the person I'm speaking to knows himself, and it's my brother that I love so much because I love his voice and I cannot deny that. But you cannot be here and there. It is better if you take a stand, you take that stand. Not after discussing, you come again, you take another stand, and you want to back it up with the Bible. That is called deceit in the highest level. But you know what? I am very happy that truth, when you come to truth, it takes nothing but a while. It may tarry, but it will surely surface. The truth about the situation of IPOB today in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, with those managing the affairs of Biafrans, will surely surface, and it is surfacing. It is only those that has refused to see that are not seeing and will remain in darkness. What am I saying in this video? Political solution is out of it when it comes to Biafran agitation. Don't we follow history? What have we learned from our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? For all he has been teaching us, what have we learned? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started by asking for what? To have a political solution in Nigeria. He started by that. Did they listen? No. Nobody listened. Where did it lead to? They asked him to come down to Nigeria to talk what he's talking. He came down, and we all know the story till today. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when he saw that the demons he is dealing with are not ready to give up what they are holding, that the only solution is our freedom so that they can live the way they want and we can be the way we're supposed to be. And to God be the glory, being a prophet that he is, he opened his mouth to say, remember, he refused to have election in Imo State before. During that time, he said no election, and every mouth were on him that he wanted to destroy, he wanted the Biafran. Today, what happened? Can't you see that if that election did not take place, that those our brothers and sisters that we bury today will be alive? Or at least we will bury less, and we would have gotten our independence. Can't you see? Can't you analyze situations? Today, it wants to reoccur again. Because those that sold him out, those that called him fool behind him, because he refused to take the money and their throat is on that money. Those that are fighting their own freedom, if they want to be free, they are receiving salaries. Those that want to remain in Nigeria and they are with us laughing and talking like they want to do something, deceiving themselves. They are today telling us, after shamelessly trying to stop sit at home did not allow, they couldn't stop it. Our leader went to court, 21st of October. They shamelessly again came out and said, by 5th of November, if our leader is not released, there will be no election in Biafra land. Today is 5th. They are again changing their words. After saying that there will be no election and Biafra land will be locked for 1 week. We have been waiting since the while to hear them repeat that very statement. To no avail, we have not heard it again. And today, we are hearing that Emma Powerless has now finally come out to tell Biafrans that there will be election. And I am telling him that Biafran says they don't know his face and there will be no election in Biafra land. The people decides, not one man. The people decides. If truly the freedom we are looking for is for the liberation of the people, allow the people to decide. Your enemy is now congratulating you. Channel Television is now congratulating Emma Powerless, called Powerful, on his statement. A channel that never speak good about IPOB family. Shame on you. I am saying no political solution in this quest. The only political solution is freedom of Biafrans through a referendum that will lead us to our independence. My dear people of Biafra, with what I am seeing in the spirit, if you want to believe it, if you don't want to, don't believe it. The only thing that brought this news to the table of the world today, or the Biafrans, that there will be no election, is nothing but they are using it to fight the Umada of US. There is no other reason. They want to show the Umada that they are the one commanding, but the Biafrans will put them to shame, because they are yet to realize that they are no longer commanding the Biafrans. The Biafrans and the spirit of Biafra is now operating through his children, no longer through that channel. You are just there like a clown until the prophet of God is out. So if you are a Biafran and you want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out, and you truly want your freedom, know what you take from them, know what you listen. And if you are in the media and you know you don't support them, and you don't take everything they say, please, when they say what they say, do not publish it on your own channel. Go on, it's better, don't even talk about it. Because why am I saying this? Some people are already confused by our Obato Obie, one of Biafra land, as in the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa, with what he posted. Because I heard it from Biafra Generation, lamenting on what even past Samuel Ekpa posted. Even as he has spoken his mind that there will be election. But that posting has done more damage than even what you have spoken. So when they brought out this stupid game, do not post their posts. Leave it for them there. Don't put it on your channel. Allow it to be on Radio Biafra. They are not ashamed. Radio Biafra is one radio that before people watch it in thousands. Don't they see the numbers that watches Radio Biafra? What do they come to Radio Biafra to tell the Biafrans? They come there to gossip. They come there. Mazi Chika Edoziem will only broadcast or announce when he has people that he wants to sack, without giving any reason why he sacked them. And some Biafrans are supporting that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will always, direct or indirect, tell us why he is sacking anybody that he sacked. He will make it as a story before he will land to where he is going. Is that not true? Why can't Chika Edoziem do the same? Why is Chika Edoziem sacking people when he said he has no power to do so? Are we not smart enough to ask him that question? We have to ask that question. It is now or never. Political solution is out of it. Biafrans, our freedom is in our hand, and we must take it by force. For the violence, take it. Okay? We have to take it by force. Do have a wonderful weekend. Tell me what you think about this video, and together we shall free ourselves, because our freedom is in our hands. Thank you.